Jim, it's been quite a week. The coronavirus, the decline in the stock market has everyone's attention for sure. What connects those two topics?
In general, the expectation for stock prices is based on earnings. And earnings are under pressure now because of the coronavirus. You've seen reports that Chinese citizens are hunkered down, not going to work, not producing goods and services. That has ramifications for not only their economy, but ours. Because if our corporations, their supply chains, or their future prospects for earnings are disrupted, that has serious negative implications for market prices, and that's what you're seeing now.
The financial markets want certainty about the future, and we're going through a process and period right now where there's some
Very
uncertainty.
uncertain.
So what's an investor to do at this stage?
So it's important for investors now to think about their objectives and their tolerance for risk. If those two things haven't really changed, then I think it's pretty much business as usual. The most likely outcome is that we solve this virus and we resume growth like we have done numerous times in the past with these sorts of outbreaks. But if your objectives have changed or your tolerance for risk has changed, it's a good time to meet with your advisor and make some adjustments to the plan when necessary.
You've always advocated for planning ahead for cash needs. We have clients that have projects that they are going to be funding this year. We've advocated for them to create that capital within their portfolio, and we've supported that. But also our cash distribution strategy is an important component. What are the highlights of that?
So that is for folks that are taking regular periodic withdrawals monthly basis or quarterly. We like to set aside a year's worth of cash so that we're not under pressure to sell assets to generate cash in times just like this, which it's not the most opportune time. So the CDS or cash distribution strategy is a great way to get that cash available so we're not having to sell under pressure.
On the other hand, we've received calls today from clients saying now is a great time to buy, which is true. This could be a great buying opportunity in retrospect.
If the fundamentals of the economy don't change very much, sure, things are on sale from where they were last week, so it might be a great time to get back in.
So it's important to reassess, have perspective, and stick to strategy.
For sure, those are the key things.
Thanks.
Sure.